as part of carrying this culture to the next level, right there in Wichloom, we will be building a fish landing site at a cost of 100 million shillings to support the fishing community as part of taking this tradition and culture of fishing to the next level. And also, as we celebrate this culture, we know that, as the Right Honorable Raila Odinga has said, that culture is evolving, and that evolution comes with education, comes with a buildup of knowledge and greater understanding and accumulation of scientific and other research knowledge, and the need to expand opportunities, institutions that will support the development of culture, the accumulation of knowledge, the use of research. And I was scheduled to come and open this great facility that is here behind us, the Ramogi campus of Nyang'oma Technical Training College. In honor of this event, and in the presence of our friend President Museveni, we will then announce that this Ramogi campus is officially opened today, and will immediately admit students beginning this January.